In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use contact tags in GoHighLevel. Tags are one of the simplest ways to keep your contacts organized, segment your audience, and quickly find exactly who you need. Whether you're managing leads from a campaign or grouping customers by interest, tags make it fast and consistent. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to the contacts area. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is your home base for viewing, searching, and managing everyone in your database. If you're not seeing the contacts you expect, make sure you're in the correct sub-account or workspace. Next, open Advanced Filters. You'll see this option near the top of your contacts page. Advanced filters let you get really specific about which people you want to see without scrolling through long lists. In the filter panel, choose Tag as your filter field. Then select the condition. The most common one is, which means you want to include contacts that have a specific tag applied. Select the tag you want from the list. If you've standardized your tagging, like webinar registered or VIP, they'll be easy to find. If you use multiple tags in your account, take a moment to pick the one that best matches the group you're targeting. Conditions like is not or contains may also be available, which can help you exclude a tag or find contacts with partial matches depending on your setup. Now click Apply. Your contacts view will refresh to show only the people who match that tag. You can quickly confirm by glancing at the tags column for any contact in the results. If something looks off, it might be that a tag was misspelled or not added to certain contacts yet, so adjust your data or filters as needed. If you plan to reuse this group, save it as a smart list. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects the tag and purpose, like newsletter, engaged, or event, attendees. A smart list updates automatically as contacts gain or lose that tag in the future, so you can return to it without rebuilding your filters every time. When you're done, you can clear or edit the filter. Just open Advanced Filters again, remove the tag filter or change the condition, and apply the update. This won't delete any contacts, it simply changes what you're viewing. That's all you need to streamline your contact management with tags. Use them consistently, save smart lists for your key segments, and you'll always have the right people at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.